In this final chapter, you are able to understand the advantages as well as the disadvantages of venturing as a solo ads broker. This helps you to consider and weigh your options so you can minimize your loss and maximize your return on investment. Let's discuss the pros. First, you are able to gain massive profit in very little time. When you have mastered the art of selling solo ads, especially in a targeted niche, there is certainly a huge potential in accumulating massive profit, especially if you have a set of fresh subscribers each round and loyal clients. The second advantage is you're able to grow your list of subscribers almost instantly. This saves you a lot of time as you do not have to go through the daunting route of having to build your own list from scratch, as well as searching for potential prospects. You get double the profit as you're able to expand your list, at the same time gain massive profits. Third, being a solo ads broker enables you to make your own sales. You have a huge advantage and you can make double the profit by selling your clients solo ads and to advertise your own product as well through your list. Very minimal effort, but you are paid a boatload of commissions. Having listed the advantages of selling solo ads, it's imperative to also look at the drawbacks. First, it may cost a lot for you to try, especially if you're new to the solo ads business. Startup costs can be quite costly due to mentoring requirements and the knowledge needed on solo ads. It will require some time for you before you can get accustomed to the business. My advice is to work within your budget, as sometimes it'll cost you more than you could afford. Start small and scale small in building your list, then go bigger along the way. One of the reasons why it's better for you to start small and scale small, especially if you're new to the business, is because there's absolutely no guarantee that the list you created will convert. This is the second drawback. Usually, sign-up rates coming from solo ads are pretty high. However, how many of those clicks convert into subscribers, sales, and long-term buyers? Therefore, start small, scale small, and go bigger as you go.